Yeah, hello amazing customers. This is a tutorial about how to fix a flat stones on the building that will look like this, and when you are done it's going to look like this, that looking beautiful and so marvelous. So watch this video for the beginning to the end and know how to fix a flat stones, but you yourself, wherever you are in the world inside. So let's go. Yeah, so about the installation of the marble stones, we don't use only the cement. You see, this right here is a pure cement. You don't use only cement, so we have to mix the sand with the cement for the job. But you have to make sure that the cement, is plenty for inside, as you are seeing right now. So as for this one, you fetch 2 buckets of this sand, and you are trying to put the cement for inside and mix some, as you can see. Yeah, so most of the times we don't mix with any other chemical, but some people do. So mixing the sand with other chemical is not a bad thing. You can decide to add a chemical. You can decide not to add any chemical apart from the stones, the sand and water. Yeah, so as for the face wall, before it was painted like this, you see, they have already painted the face wall. So since that you are here to lay the natural stones, we have to remove all the paints before the installation go on. That is why we have a cutting machine. You have the machine and our disc. You see, this disc, to remove the paint. You see, look at how it became rough before the installation, so that everything we will do, it will last forever. Don't let a natural stones on a painted wall. Please try to remove the paint or you hack. You see, as for a beginner, if you don't have a machine, you have to hack and get the wall. You have to hack them very well before you do your installation. Okay, I'm coming in. So as you see these stones now, this be how the stone come shameless. You see, so as for this job now, we want to lay the stone close on the building. When I say close, it's something like this. You have to make sure that the stones, this one, they near so close, and here to the near close, and here to the near close, and here to the near close. You see, and so when I say the stone, so that way you have to shape the stone that here to here it will be straight, here to here it will be straight, so that at the end of the day you get them perfect on the building. So as for that now, we do use a cutlass. You see, this and a cutlass cause a machine take a lot of time. So cutlass will be one of the easiest ways for her to shape the stones and the work go faster. So watch how we are going to use the cutlass to shape the stones, as you can see. Uh-huh. Yeah, so one thing about this natural stone be say the red one are so hard than are difficult to shape more than the gray one. You see. So that be why my brother is trying to find it difficult to shape the stones as you can see. Mhm. Okay, okay, come on, come on. Uh-huh, you get me. Wow. Uh-huh. So that so that you have to make sure that we shape every side of the stones. You see. Uh-huh. So this will help you to get your work, professional way once you have done, so that there will not be a mortar gap. Uh-huh. So this be how the process go as a professional stone layer. So because of we are using the cement and the sand, and the cement is rich, sometimes the mortar which will make hard in the happen like faster. So you have to mix them again and get them soft before you put them on the stones. Yeah, so when you put the mortar on the big stones like this, you have to spread the mortar like this. You see, you have to spread the mortar. You see, and press them with your thrower. You have to spread the mortar on every corner of the stones. I hope that you are getting me. So after you put the mortar on the stones, you have to use the same mortar to patch the wall before we use the stone to hit the wall, and try to get them close. So you put the stone to closer to this one. You see. So based on our work, we don't use a mallet. We don't use what the tellers use. We use a more hammer. Because this one is a stones, it's not a ties. That you see us using the more hammer for the stones. Oh yeah, baby, sing me, sing me. Yeah, so once you have done, it's going to look like this on the building. You see, very nice and marvelous, as you can see. You see, so yeah, so these stones, it is prevent your building from dampness. It is a natural design that once it's done, it is forever. You are not going to spend any extra cost in the future. You see, so these are some of the benefits behind these natural stones. It is help your building from dampness. It is avoid you to be painting yearly or 2 yearsly, or once it's done on that surface now, there's anything like extra costs. You see, and is a design or natural way. You see, pay attention, you will see like some color is gray, some is red, some is yellow. So it is a local natural things, as you can see. You see, that be why we are encouraging everyone in Africa to take advantage on these natural stones. These natural stones. Yeah, so facing the stones, is not like something that maybe you can just be putting the stone there anyhow. A natural stone installation is an artwork that you, the artisanal, you have to take your time and know where you fit the stones, or how to mix the colors, so that when you have done, it will look so beautiful. You see, that be away. If you see, there's a gray, there's something yellow leash. So you, the artisan, you have to know how to mix the colors, so that when you have done, it's going to look more attractive. So that be one thing behind our installation.
You're out to 2:30. The time is here. You are some of the cases His Excellency John Mahama order said, every 8 years of NPP since 2018, every 2024, India, one year, I think Bia, I can't go to the time. Here is the news. Obi a ɔhyɛ Ghana sika biara sɛ Ghana sika biara owie a Ghana sika biara ɛwɔ ne kɔkɔ kɛta no yɛn nso nfa ho ɛsɛbɛtɔ ɛyi ɛsɛ nso bi ohun sɛ asɛm bi mu a yɛamanfo no gyina asɛm bi mu a ne gyina n'asɛ ɛdi a wɔasɛ kɔkɔ kɛta no yɛkɔsi yɛn sɛ saa ne polisi yi ɛba ma mmɛbuna yi gyina yɛ ɛkɔhwɛ 50% of Ghana people a mi sɛ ɛkyɛ bi asa ɔwɔ million mɛko sɛ ɛkorɔ ɛyɛ tiɛ tiɛ ti di ɛkɔ ni bɔtɔ ne bi ti fa aka bɛtiri o ɛbɛka abɛbio ɛba 500,000 mɛko sɛ ɛkorɔ a ɛbɛ dɛm de mu owu ɛwɔ package industry bi di aka no ɛbɛ ma mo mu bebree gyina ma ɔma yɛ bebi sɛ bɛma adwuma yɛ ɛna saa 24 hours ɛna mu yɛ kókó sẹta no bẹbùa ẹna ẹyà ẹtí sẹbi yẹ sẹbi yẹ tuntun ọmọdé sẹta nti gbẹdẹ yẹ sáà kàn ní ìfúnná sẹ ìfúnná ẹyẹ kókó sẹta ọmọdé sẹta nti gbẹdẹ yẹ sẹ sẹbi ẹdí ẹni náà nàá nà ase ẹyẹ sáà gbà ẹyẹ ní ìyá ti fẹsùn ẹna ẹyẹ yẹ ẹyẹ abi ẹmọ sí ní akọ ọmọ ọdún náà ẹbí sáà ní bi ẹyẹ ti sáà ní kókó sẹ ẹsẹ ní sẹ yẹs ẹyẹ ẹnbi ẹna ẹbẹ gbà ẹna àmà ìfẹ ooo.
At the short time, Ghana go forget say Mama no, he can't do better. Oh. They go tell so no, you know JDT. Because show that what I know think too much. You see, the motor is thicker, so my brother is trying to remove some. You see one red, one gray, red and gray, red and gray. You see.